Okay. Okay, guys. Good evening, everyone. How are you doing today? Guys, can you hear me?
Today,
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay, let's start. I'm starting. My name is Monica, and I will talk to you. You're Bill, right? Monica saying, "Hey, is that Bill?
yeah,
Do you remember me from school?"
I'm sorry, I don't remember you. Did we study with together?
Yes, and we lived in the same door too.
Really? What floor did we live in?
Did we live in? I lived on the ninth floor, and you lived on the seventh floor.
That's right. How did you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometime.
I'm sorry, I don't remember you.
It's all right. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again,
Monica.
Monica.
अब आप बोलेंगे Monica says, right?
Monica, Monica sells, right?
Yeah, see, so you do remember me.
Okay, so where do you live now?
I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment.
Do you live with your parents?
No, my parents moved to the country.
They must be very happy there.
Yes, they enjoy it very much.
So, do you live alone?
No. I live with an old friend.
Really, a friend is he a boyfriend?
No, she's an old friend from school when we have known each other for many years. How about you, Bill? Where do you live?
Oh, I live in an apartment by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
Maybe you should complain with your neighbor.
Oh, no, no, no. I am the one who makes the noise.
Very nice. Now we will have practice, like a words practice, keywords practice. So the first words we practiced today it was do you remember? क्या आपको याद है? इसके बाद या तो हम noun use करते हैं like do you remember that accident? Do you remember that party? Do you remember that person? तो जब noun use करेंगे तो वो चीज का नाम आएगा चाहे किसी शख्स का हो जगह हो या कोई भी हो, right? Like do you remember Sir Hussain from school? Do you remember that meetings we had? Any questions that you have, right? और जब हम verb लगाएंगे तो ing form में आएगा. Like मैं आपसे कहूँगा Do you remember eating lunch with Hussein? आपको याद है जो हुसैन साहब के साथ हमने लंच किया था? Do you remember playing cricket match in that farmhouse? Do you remember going fishing on Saturday with Hussein? Something like that, right? Is that clear? आवाज आ रही है बेटा आपको?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll
Yes,
just
sir.
try to यहाँ थोड़ी देर के लिए stop करता हूँ and then we'll begin again, right?